Hi students, this is Umar, teacher of mathematics. You are watching my YouTube channel Maths with Umar. In this session, let's see the solutions, NCERT solutions of second exercise in chapter 1. The chapter 1 in grade 8 is rational numbers. We have seen the first and second problems, and let us do the third, fourth and remaining problems. Okay, let's move. So here the third question is, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Yes, representing rational numbers, I think we have seen. Okay, anyway, suppose for example, before going to the question, can 5 be represented in P by Q form? Yes, it can be represented, right? It can be represented as, you can write it as 5 by 1, or you can even write it as, if you multiply in numerator with 2 and denominator also with 2, you can also write it as 10 by 2. Okay, and even you can write it as 15 by 3. So you can write any whole number in the form of P by Q form, in the form of P by Q, right, where Q is not equal to 0. So using this concept, now let us see, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Okay, fine, it's very easy. See, smaller than 2. Smaller than 2. Is it right? So now, can we write 2 as 2 by 1? And even, can you write it as, if I multiply with 5 in numerator and denominator, can I write it as 10 by 5? Is it right? It is a rational number. It is in P by Q form. The value is not changing. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So without changing the value, you can write in any form. Okay. So now write 5 rational numbers smaller than 10 by 5. So what are the rational numbers you know? So 5 rationals smaller than 10 by 5 are, yes, tell me, 9 by 5, 8 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 5 by 5. Is it right? Okay, understood? Shall I explain you one more with an example? So, yes, instead of multiplying with 5, so 2 by 1, let us multiply with 8. Okay, 2 8, 16 by 8. Is it right? Now 5 rational numbers smaller than 16 by 8 are. So can you tell me 5 rationals smaller than 16 by 8? It is 15 by 8, 14 by 8, 13 by 8, 12 by 8 and 11 by 8. So these are the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. If you find out the value of them, so the value will be always less than 2 if you find out in decimals. I hope you understood. Okay, so let's go for the next question. Yes, can anyone read out the next question? The third question. Yeah, third question. This was the third question. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. See, yes, we have done it, I remember. But anyway, let us go. Rational numbers, 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So this, let us go for the solution. Whenever, see, these are the 2 rational numbers. What about the denominators? Are the same? No, they are not same. So first change the denominators into like. That means same denominators. How to do it? By taking LCM. Very good. So let us take LCM first. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So LCM of 5 and 2 is, yes, what is the LCM? It's evident that 5 and 2 are co-primes. So you does not have any common factor. So multiply directly. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 is the LCM. Okay. Now find the equivalent fractions of the equivalent rationals of 10. Equivalent rationals of minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 with denominator 10. Okay. Let me take first minus 2 by 5. How can you change it to denominator 10? By multiplying with 2 in denominator as well as numerator. Fine. And here it is 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2. How will you change it? By multiplying with 5. Okay. So now just check. So this will become minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So now they are like rational numbers. They are like, the denominators are same. So let us check whether there are 10 rational numbers or not. See, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 1 by 10, 0 by 10, and 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. Only 8 are there. So you have to find, you have to get some more. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. Okay, or even you can do whatever it is. Since you are now see, you are able to get 8 rational numbers. So multiply with 2. So just write the step. Multiply minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 with 2 in numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So minus 4 by 10 times 2 times 2 and 5 by 10 times 2 times 2. So it will be, that is equal to minus 8 by 10 and minus 8 by 20 by 10 by 20. Now I think you can write 10 rational numbers. What are the 10 rational numbers? Minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0 by 20, 1 by 20 and 2 by 20. Understood everybody? So these are the 10 rational numbers. This is a process. When the denominators are not same, you have to first find the LCM and make them equal, like denominators. And once you get the like denominators, check how many rational numbers are there. If sometimes you get, suppose if the question, let us take that if it is 5 rational numbers, you already have 5 rational numbers. So no need to multiply, you can directly write 5 rational numbers. But since we don't have enough rational numbers, you multiply with 2 in numerator and denominator, you will get 2 equivalent rational numbers of the given rational numbers. So in between you can find. Hope everybody understand it. See, you can have a look. Now, yes, find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This is the 5th question. So this is the 5th question, and first bit, they need 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Here also the same. Do you have the same denominator? No. So what we are supposed to do? We have to take LCM. Okay. LCM is equal to, we know that LCM of 3 and 5. Since they are co-primes, we don't have common factor. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now let us find the equivalent fractions for 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So how you can change this into 15? Yes, by multiplying with 5 in numerator and denominator with the first rational number, and 4 by 5, how can you change the denominator to 15? by multiplying with 3 in numerator and denominator. What you get? 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. How many you need? 5 rational numbers. Do we have? So 10 and 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, we have only one. So multiply with either whatever number you want, but we have seen that try to multiply with n plus 1. That means we need 5 rational numbers. So multiply with 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, I'm continuing here. So we got the rational numbers as 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So let us multiply. Already you have one rational number. So anyway, take multiply with 5. Okay, so multiply with 5 or even 5 in numerator and denominator. So 10 by 15 times 5 times 5 and 12 by 15 times 5 times 5. So 10 5s 50, 15 5s 75 and 12 5s 60, 15 5s 75. Now can you write 5 rational numbers between it? Yes, we can easily write 51 by 75, 52 by 75, 53 by 75, 54 by 75 and 55 by 75. So you can write any rational number in between these two. I hope you understand. Now let us go for the second bit. The second bit said you have to find out the rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 8. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Here also you have denominators different and they are co-primes. So directly what is the LCM? You multiply the denominators. So LCM of 2 and 3. So equals 6. So you have to find the equivalent fractions of the given rational numbers with denominator 6. So let us go. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Okay, denominator should be 6. So what you have to multiply? You have to multiply denominator with 2 3s are 6. So you have to multiply with the same number in numerator also. Now here, in order to get 6, what you are supposed to do? You have to multiply with 2. So therefore, we multiply. Now, what did you get? Minus 3 times 3, minus 9 by 6 and 5 2s, 10. 10 by 6. Now they are equal, like fractions, like rational numbers with same denominators, right? Now, how many rational numbers you want? 5. You can take minus 9 to 10. Here there are more number of rational numbers, right? Nearly 18 you have. So let us let us check. Rational numbers between minus 9 and 10. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6 and 0 by 6. Okay. Okay, you want only 5 rational numbers. You write any of your 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Got it? Yes, very simple. Next, let us take. He is asking us to find out 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. Here the both denominators are 4 and 2. You know better. So 4 and 2, you have a common factor 2. Therefore, we have to take LCM. So what is the least common multiple? Least common multiple is 4. Okay. So let us change 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So 2, it has to be changed to 4. So therefore multiply with 2. This becomes 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So how many rational numbers you want? 5 rational numbers you want. So you have to multiply with n plus 1. First you have to, because there you doesn't have any rational number in between, so you use directly n plus 1. You will get exact number. So let us multiply with 5 plus 1 in numerator and denominator. So that means 5 plus 1 is 6. So that equals 1 by 4 times 6 times 6 and 2 by 4 times 6 and times 6. Now I'm writing over here. So 1 by 6, what happens? 6 by 24. And what about 2 times 6? 12. 12 by 24. So since denominators are equal, now you can find out rational numbers between these two. What are there? 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. When they ask rational numbers in between, you should not write the extremes. You should not write 6 and 6 by 24 and 12 by 24. So you get 5 rational numbers. So therefore the last step should be like this: 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24 are 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Got it, everybody? I hope after seeing these many type of problems, you would have understood the concept of rational numbers and finding the rational numbers. In the next video, let us see the remaining 6th and 7th question. Hope you understand. Practice it. Once you practice, then only you can excel in mathematics. So merely by listening to any video or seeing any guide or seeing any answer will not help you. My dear students, you have to practice. Okay? If you have understood, please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and even press the bell icon so that you can get notifications for all new videos which I upload. Hope you enjoyed learning maths. Bye. Take care.